Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Augusto Ilian and this is installment number 37 of my Birds of Colombia series. Today we will talk about the pintasilgo de buche negro or Guira, Hemithraupis Guira Tanager. It is a species of bird in the Thropidae family, found in Argentina, Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, French Guiana, Guyana, Paraguay, Peru, Suriname, and Venezuela. It lives on the edge or clearings of the forest, wooded islands, and in gallery forests, below 1,400 meters of altitude. Apparently very rare and very local, moderately dry to humid forest, secondary forest, and high open forest. Probably more common in the valleys of Cauca and Magdalena. It is regularly found in the Otoko Valle forest, in the middle of Dapa, and also in the urban area of Cali. On the peaceful slope of the valley in Antioquia at 500 meters, the lower and middle valleys of Cauca, the middle and upper valleys of Magdalena, east of the Andes, only in Norte de Santander, near the border with Boyaca, Amazonas near Leticia, and west of Putumayo. Specifically throughout South America west of Ecuador, north of Argentina and Paraguay. On average it measures 13 centimeters in length and weighs 10 grams. It presents sexual dimorphism. The male has a black face and throat, with a yellow superciliary band that extends on both sides of the neck. On the chest it has a rusty orange bib, the belly is grayish-white, the rump is yellow and the back is olive. The female has an olive head with very thin yellow superciliary and eye ring, olive yellow breast, grayish flanks and whitish yellow belly. They are found in pairs or several follow mixed flocks by canopy or jungle edges. Actively forages in canopy or middle levels of forests, edges, gardens and secondary forest. Flutters and searches for outer foliage such as dacnus and warblers. It feeds on fruits, leaves and nectar. We have reached the end of delivery number 37. In our next installment, number 38, we will talk about Colibri alarofo or 7 colors, Boisinoa jardini, velvet purple coronet. Do not forget to support my work by watching all my videos until the end by liking them, sharing them with your contacts and subscribing to my channel. In the same way, I appreciate your comments, so that I can generate content of your liking. Thank you so much.